We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toners on a Xerox WorkCentre 6605. So this does take a 6605 toner. You want to take down your front latch here. These are going to be your individual toners, and you would just push up on this and gently pull out as gently as you can. You would dispose of your old toner, unbox your new one, go ahead and get it ready, and then you would just stick it back in the same spot. Once you hear it click, you know it's in. Then do this for all the colors that you need to replace, and after that you should be good to go. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.